Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Photoshop for free. I really needed this because I use like a website on Google, so I can do my thumbnails. So if you want to just make thumbnails or just do whatever you want on Photoshop, I'm gonna show you how to download Photoshop for free. It's completely free. Just press the link in the description down below, and yeah, I'm going to show you how to download it. Let's get into it. So you're gonna go to your browser, okay, and as I said, you're gonna go, oh yeah, before we start, please go down below to my to the description and join my Discord server, link in the description, as I said. Okay, so of course you're gonna go to the link in the description. It's this link, it's a media file link, okay, and you're gonna go here, Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, I know we are in 2022, but still, it's 2 gigabytes. Of course, it's Photoshop, so like it's not a fake like copy of Photoshop. It is Photoshop, but for free. So download it. So I'm not gonna download it again because I already have it over here. You're gonna get a zip file, okay. You're gonna right click on it, and you're gonna press extract here, and it's gonna load, and you're gonna get this folder. So after you get this folder, you're gonna press setup and then press enter. Just double click, just open it, I guess. Photoshop installer, okay. So you're gonna wait until this loads, and if you wanna download on a flash drive, it's gonna say this. Don't mind my name, okay. It's gonna say that you are unable to download to install to a removable drive. So like you need another like an SSD or a hard drive in your computer to download it. You can't download it to a CD or flash drive or just whatever. So I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna press continue, and I'm gonna wait until it installs. So as you can see, the installation is complete. So install complete. Photoshop has been successfully installed. I'm gonna press close, and I'm gonna go out, and I think, yes, as you can see, Adobe Photoshop is over here. So I'm gonna open it. So as you can see, it's open right now. So I'm gonna press create new. I've never used Photoshop before, by the way. So I think you're gonna press create new. I don't really know what to press. I don't know. No. What do I press? Okay, wait. I'm gonna look up the thumbnail size. So as I see on my phone. Wait. Oh. So it's 1280 by 720. But why does it say it's wrong? Hello? What? Never mind. You can just look it up and just use Photoshop as you want. But here you download Photoshop. Okay. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please go down below, subscribe to my channel, like more videos, and comment down below more video ideas you want to see. I just pinned that, and comment down below more videos you want to see. And please, as I said, please join my Discord server, link in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.